How to set up Zelle with Citizen Bank in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to set up Zelle with Citizen Bank. Okay, it's not something difficult at all. It's so easy. Just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video and you're gonna be able to set up Zelle with Citizen Bank. Okay, so now what you need to do is to go and follow what I'm gonna do right now. So the first thing to set up Zelle with Citizen Bank is to click on log into Citizen mobile app. Okay, and then what you need to do is to click on send money. So just select it. And after selecting send money, what you need to do is to enter your email address or your mobile number. Okay, and after entering your email address or your mobile number, now you need to receive a code verification to verify that it's really your email address or your mobile number. So just enter it so you can verify it, and after doing this you just need to accept terms and conditions. And after doing this, congrats, you are ready to start sending or receiving money with Zelle. As I told you, it's not something difficult at all, just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to set up Zelle with Citizen Bank. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.